Hello guys, hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, welcome. It's growing 103 subscribers. Hey, slow but steady. As fast as steady, that's it. So today we're having, like I said, I've been celebrating beauty inside out all this new year. And happy new year. If I've not yet said happy new year to you, thank you for coming to my channel. And please remember to subscribe, like and share. Okay, so today we're having, I have an example of it. I've been using it. So I've decided to make onion oil. So I use the red onion, and this is how it went. Good for the hair growth. I have an example of it. I've been using it. So I've decided to make onion oil. So I use the red onion, and this is how it went. And so now we have already cooked the onion to this extent. Look at it, it's a bit brown, little bit. We've cooked it for about 30 minutes, each 30-40 minutes. Now I put it in the cheesecloth. I already have one already there that I put there. I just want to show you guys what I did so you can see it. I put it in the cheesecloth and I zip out the oil and then press it out. That's the onion oil. And this is the leftover of this. Is that not wonderful? So, and then we're going to use it for our hair. Actually, it doesn't smell too bad. You know, so for those of you who like, I don't want to draw onion juice on my hair, you could use this. This is so beautiful. I use this, and the curry I use for this onion oil is grape seed oil, which is also good for the skincare, for the scalp care. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Try it and please make a comment. Tell me how you liked it. Tell me how you really enjoyed it. Tell me what it's doing for your hair growth. And oh, the video after this, I'm going to put a video about my hair growth journey. And then you guys will know why Auntie Jane Jenkins is going all natural right now. Right now for now, okay? Thank you very much. Vielen Dank, everybody. Tschüss, bis bald.